Good evening, teachers. I got an email about the inability to comment on a Flipgrid, so I want to provide an instructional video for how I would like for you to do that. And I apologize that that was not clear from the video I shared earlier, the YouTube video. So I'm on my Flipgrid, and let's say that I was a teacher using this. The way that I would use it is I would go over here and I would create a group, and the group would be a classroom, like one of my classes. It may be, if I'm an elementary school teacher, Mrs. Smith's second period class, or if I'm a high school teacher, maybe Mr. Thomas's third period geography. So what I want you to do is I want you to go to group, create a group. You can pick whichever one of these you want. I'm just going to pick a classroom. I'm going to pick university, and I'm going to select create. I'm going to enter the group name, and I would like for you to call this EDU G647. If you would like to change the background, there are multiple ones down here that you can pick from. And then I've got my group. And the group always defaults to having these pre-created topics. Okay, and these could be assignments in your class. They could be announcements. You could use them however you want, or you can delete them, and that's what I'd like for you to do. So just delete those except for the last one, and then you can just go in and edit this one, and you can name this topic Week 4 Reading Response. Okay, whoops, if I can spell that. And then you can just go down here and delete that and just paste the prompt that you're responding to in here. And then what you want to do is just delete this box, this media. Okay, and then at that point, what it's going to allow you to do is to go in here and record your video, right? This is your recording time that you have set up. So you just click on that. If you need more time, you can see, I think you can go up to 10 minutes, okay? And then all you're going to do, and you'll have to excuse my appearance, I was not planning on making a video, but here we go. Just click on that. It'll pull up your video, and then you just click start. You hit the start button, it counts down, and then you just record your video. When you get finished, you hit stop, and then you go to next. Counts down, and then you just record your video. You hit next again. It'll give you a chance to edit your cover if you want to, if you look like a nut like I do. So you can select a frame, hopefully one that's not any worse than the one that you have. Let's get one if I can, at least where my mouth's closed. And then you just hit confirm, and then you hit submit, okay? And so now you have your topic created, all right? And then what you will do is, let's say this is your students. What you can do is you can go up here to your settings and you can make this active, right? So maybe you assign this on, I don't know, Tuesday, but you don't want them to really work on it until the weekend. So you can go in and set this up. Here's the part where you can put comments, right? Allow members to leave video and text comments. So that has to be checked off. Let's say it's something that you don't want your students making a comment on, then you would, just hit that toggle switch and turn it off, okay? So that's what you do. You just hit update this topic, okay? And you are ready to go. The last thing that you need to do is come up here to where it says share, copy the link, paste that in, and now your colleague should be able to leave a video response for you, okay? And that's how you do that. Hope this helps.